Hey lads, so the last major topic we need to cover is structural forms. So we've completed hyperboloid of revolution before, and then we also need to do hyperbolic paraboloid, these two sections. We're not going to touch this section, it doesn't appear often at all. Mr. Kieran said you don't need to worry about it at all. Okay, so what I want you to do is go through these slides, and I want you to flick through all of them and make some notes and make some sketches, all right? And sketch out the solutions, because is these are the foundations of what the question will all be about. Longer questions, so sketch through them, like, and see what options come up. Okay. Now I made notes for you a couple of weeks back before the mocks, and this was kind of chopped out of those slides, so you can go back over that again. These are the three methods of drawing uh, Hyperboloid of Revolution. And these are your longer questions. This is a very common question, and it's quite a good topic to be very on top of. All right, so go through all of those and practice some of those questions. Now, what I really want you to do first, though, is make notes like this. So this is a sample of work that Aaron submitted. All right, so he's made out some sketches and notes, and they're for the different types of questions that might come up. And this is an easy way of getting some revision in without investing 40 minutes or an hour into each long question. So if you go through this, you can create little notes and you can make sure you know the topic and the type of question that comes up. And then you can try a couple of long questions. All right. So make sure you get on top of this section, and we will move on to hyperbolic paraboloids next week. Okay.